umusinguro w'ibihumbi sente.
Hawina Pepsi for the love of it.
Narumba musuri. Yesi kwa chakunju munanga telefambe za radio wesere besti kanumbure bwenyine ndo ine pato nobles kabateno mani kuruga ruwarire kandi mbara sente sausa. Rware mujinsa sere nkabagambira no mwaka wa 2021 kajezo byarima so nzakwa nsitambura da yonko kweli mugicheza ko niyo kunza ati ni kikwasa kora abari ko muje barkunje munango mwaka wa muso gwa 2022 ni yasinza kutubera bwo businguzi kana no kusasira natwe atambura turubama abo kuba bagira ngo otegira nshobezo kokoze kandi yo toriyegera kace bantumwe covid-19 okuyatitire twena ahande ngo stars mwazumwe nyesiga ombwiro butaho mutakubona yanga mutayo yabaro kwanga mutayo manyo kandi ubwinje bwonu buce muno tena kuzuma kokuma ngo ubwinje bwonu buce akatwara aburiyo mu futancho on top to the bottom, the last person, actually the last person was better than even the top one. Aboko baka ikaba stopping ebe office bona bachinga biona bitumwe cyona covid-19 na res mwa mutira ko kweba 2021 na romwe byamyaka ebireji etwegise mutwe tugende omurundu gumwe shemerwa no woine no ukora no mukozi wana na mukama wawe akatwe no museji tuli nothing, just we are all equal. Muchezo anje purchase nyuma zya abantu imipira y'Uganda Premier League just sama na ino gamra kunju munonga Arua Hill na base kusinga timu ya Vipers gore mwa arusha no mansi je nduko bagambra preso kuzubenza tambura akashira karemiro ka akashega kenyine kabiro mushega ko kugurumire Manchester United nyuma so Vipers bajirumbe mujezo wanje mpurikize now timu ya Toro United of course yego muzabone kwa kumunonga Express mutera gori biraharizo timu ya Bull byabigezera ko biri mwanzo timu ya Wakiso Jansen mutera goro ina alishatu kandi timu ya Bright Stars na timu ya Villa Barwana mu Rwabyo na Bright Stars yatumwa win ya iyo akabiri the second win of the season. It was I think biggest achievement of side ya Bright Stars ule mwa na leba erukubura munonga. Now timu ya UPDF 0 police final kukumbe na government ya form ya singogo muzano kandi Gaddafi mu jompo chizena na Yura Eva with chikazi 1-1. Of course it is over in Gambia right now, some updates, live updates going on. Gambia konju munonga tune mizano ebiri tino muzano gwa timu ya KCC na Mbara City then tino mpira gwa Busoga. Zaito right now Busoga ibimbi timu ya Onduparaka gore mwari 0 kandi KCC na Mbara City wasa kugesinga no gesingota teka chichita timu ya Mbara City na timu ya KCC you guess termino jamu nkazinga hati score aduna kwa kakajasika tiza just no teka cheme chicha right now. Your guess shinoka writing kayanche mujompo chize asa Uganda Premier League kamena tera hawa babaseku predictinga how they see this game uko ize kuba nehindera arona n'abanje bari ya groups, different groups zinkwenda nabo babaseku amba predictinga tutamuza kintu pora akora abari ebo abakubasa kutere sumu tukaganira hamwe kandi ahabatakuza kutere sumu tukaganira hamwe so teka ababa baza kwamba nyambuka cyonke cyo kunje umuntu wene kugira ngo utaka kwisomuru no ile interest yo kana kumanya timu yanyu yambara se ko kugenda no gambara bakuru mabe munonga kwa KCC already ebembe timu yambara City goro emwarusha timu ya KCC ebembire ntakaza kubarindiriza no kurindiriza umuntu akabashasha akazaho karundi cyo kwakikabura akamba gambire kare kikoreki ekintu kitambure sawa so right now as we talk mujezo nyo purikize no gambira kunje munonga ngo timu ya KCC ebembe timu ya Mbara City goro emwari 0 Mbara City kacheka etayaire omwana habati achai nuwe yateba gorejo obuni midfielder myaka 22 kandi no wasakona tele gorejo but still going on, match is still going on. Tokamanya buni jo sakwenda chindi kiraho omude chike bo bayeza kuga just touch sai bagira katandika ya general straight away yakana teberaho aho Mbara City yagira ubwo bakokwaiza bajangwana muhame muko mwekwate mwishirana kiramujanye abana babasakwirana bakwatanishaje at least de chikati naweza ikomura makumyana twakabungire mugore cyuma nsango bari bad defending agora shad bad defending de chika ashatuna mwinta ashatuna mwinta so nzo asakwamba defending so katreba abana bitu mugeza ni purchase so bagaiza bari abamani munonga butarevuka so select team Mbarara yes no kamera kunchi munonga aina za kutere hebi timu ya KCC bembiri timu ya Mbarara City agore mari 0 oman achai Habert nwate bagore jumla chika emuyunka yonoteka teko gomuzana za kwenda guta agwa timu ya Mbarara City na KCCA just in ka teka teko byo kunchi munonga telefu of course ati Vincent ati Capito ati Kanya Sam ati Emma Corina Master Michael Nico Rukundo, of course, Skills, Muchu, then now David, the story to be continued. Chair, Amon, Dr. Amona, yeah, Mbarara Referral Dental Departmental, of course. Another one, when I tell you, Silka, just a category, to website right now, radio Besta. Nalabandi mjompulizo wakati mtu aleko aboko bebe tunazo katika mara kile konka abyaleko no kamera kunjumuna ngotele vutu ile yo okwirukanga omwana with chapter gay na irukangizo ya Sunday enyonyaji tembere kai by yesterday updates as in simtio kunjumuna WhatsApp group yetu mwinemo ya agenda ombajungo yazagarako kubaza kubachapa no mawe naza yoko abasingira kimwe gayi mbweni kugarangano nabyo nanga utata kumperezo kwirukanga cyase mudakiki kuminisha tukaza mbazunka batera bakantina Joshua Cheptegei rango mucugo yakwire ranga gumpereze so gayi yarumba already so 2021 is which was unbelievable ninga omwaka ogumutanarwe yes itoya muntu rama banja ntura bizwe byabiro konka for him it was a different story Joshua Cheptegei ati myaka 5 yakuzaruma kapchorwa azekanda aliona kwirukangizo ya Sunday yarumba karoko mu America kategetero kiza konchendra konjumunanga televu cha 2022 yana wasako na kisinga 2022 na kisinga ninga inechira benchi mburaburamu so nicho yabasako na agenda ho is already abroad abokwiruka mugonza ko ni kwetero ko sasande kukiza kwa stabara but remember again na Joshua Cheptegei naza kubabya ho mu Mbarara City Roberto Kachebezi kache bichi wechitinisa na wakati kana yakutaisa umuntu wa mani Joshua Cheptegei aboko nakwali mumpaka ziza marathon advice launching izo ya nyuma bazyo ziri ahari sanga lekimbulo zakwa ziri Stambrana na rari imotoka ukara imotoka ine kwizo mu February aho so bazo nchinjiro umuntu gumwe ahibembirukanga 10 km 5 km kandi ne ya local people ya encouraging local people kwano ba participating kugira ngo nawe yaka hashanga nko abwana buto aho mbwe minga bakinengoga na naba mwizi mbasa kwiza mwizeze kora marathon recently also mwizi people kandi mbasa kutaho mu kintu mwize participating tubereke mutubasa litokore cyamani not only Cheptegei no wakubasa kwirukanga ni 20 tubasa kukikora so ni mbashaba imwe abaryokwe kugira ngo mbasa kwiza participating mu pakeze nyine 2015 byokwezi kwa 2015 byokwezi okwa kubanza uko kubanza okay arokande mpeba ni honorable Julius Mwine chikaka nyonko kumweza of course goalkeeper sometimes nangwarwa na zano midfield at MP wa Rwampara okwe so MP okwe ni kushaba kwata timu y'abana basinyire ka top 10 abizira mu different categories zo mu kwirukanga bizaba participating ngo mu yejeje ya Lekimburu kugira ngo nawe yakabo asanga abana bakwirukanga toka amana asa kwa identify ngakwa kala ino mutuma mulunje munonga lasa imo kwakwata amede yakadisharingana na 7k protege nasaka re nkomano mwirukanje ku rwo mu mwizo ko wawo mu Rwampara identifying agira ati muteko mu timu yitu ogomano sanga twatranke bela just like ka 5 years to come to similar na tuna ba Western Uganda so Julius Karhanga mu nechikaka of course kwa dantana na bayabembezo bataiba wa ground na ni nshaba kwataka timu y'abana bayibembiro mu marathon yaje gwire like 20 of them ba runners mu ba sponsoring mu barete be participating mu ya Lekimbureji bizabazwe na mwizi kugira ngo identifying bareke ngo they are promoting that area na nemyanye ndizo those from Mitoma from Kisoro because much as na Lekimburo kuko kana Mbarara City na Mbarara City yesigaka chebeza na should do the same abana baze mbirukange abo kuba wale bira mwana kogo na ogomushanka Joshua Cheptegei na ku inspiring munonga so coach let's wait we'll be going there of course to corporate club Mbarara and start participating but I think I'll go into 5 km out and ngenda ko enjoying abenda nebinyamisho za zebra za lion I might not go into this long one 10 km I'll just participate in 5 km atubasogera kimwe participating every 15 byenyine hari kideka imbula then nabanda ko sport no gabara kwintu munonga ICC Cricket World Cup 2022 abana bit of course mbaza kwa bazana bino mu warm up games antakwa nzana ebiro 10 Scotland ntakwa ntubita na yetu rebo kutoka kwa Saudi kwata ma Everest Ground Arguyana nene bikumi ya Sri Lanka Arguyana National Stadium and then World Cup preliminary round mzako mbekora to kundu kaza kwa nkukweta kwa nima kudia coach Ivan twetase mwire we nukwa uja mtimi squad yenu munonga yatebekanise mu Pascal Murunji team captain na nabandi of course Isaac Kategeka vice captain ningira abanyankora aho mu Western twasraha cricket tuyaba man na final ani kwata arquaterine na African mchezo wa nyopurichiza ko tyo sabu gitandika yati yakusigara ibiro bishatu byonka akwata uzumuzo ya nchakare azene tandika aho group A niyo tandika nsakwatiriye omurebo rwa Olembe Stadium Yeunde that is the Cameroon azo muri kino gamba mutandika no muzano gwe biro mwenda ahashaha Shahina Zechero ntwantandikaho imikone ko ri man of course okwigura na buchumwe mutakwatwine abanyine ka Cameroon ene Burkina Faso Cameroon yako ene Burkina Faso ogumpira kasameme ogumtashime kwa numbisinga Shahina zenyini mujompurikize twine team ya Cameroon nekwatana Burkina Faso then oguntsakwa twine of course Cape Verde ekwatana Ethiopia then bigumpora no Uganda terajino mu pakezi so tinaza kufocus nga mu Uganda nezana mu fixture Uganda kwetamo so kiriariwe kuturahika ha weekend nza kwani kubuza iyo wa supporting now that Uganda didn't qualify Uganda wetara qualify ngira tu waza supporting abanagenda Super Eagles bari mu training ya man munonga bari yahari Moshude Abiola Stadium bino mwana yanazana club ya Everton aliana abajezo kuba yamba of course kubasa kure yango bayite bikansa ishkope chikunju munonga sausa Mohamed Salah of course rajezo kuyamba ba Egypt kubasa kuranguliza batwale chikope Egypt akone chetaga koko macha kosa bazana ko bari yumka ako bacuzingira bazani 19 byasaba heru baretse mu kaga bonka of course harimo Mohamed Elneny wa club ya Arsenal na Mohamed Salah wa club ya Liverpool and then of course Senegal mbesiga munonga abazani nka Sadio Mane wa Liverpool amana na best goalkeeper Eduardo Mendy wa club ya Chelsea the Blues so that is it kopo cha French zakunura by the way zakunura Bastars mwabarebire abakwa Gabon mbesiga Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang that's African man is an African man aliaho kandi mugire bati mu Africa yinyini konkana akunda Africa abakwa inyina na Rugum Spain actually inyina Rugum Spain chokora na yera munonga cyo konkana una kwa ine Gabon team yeye ya Gabon of course inza kwa ni yana kuzana nifatu wajigambe kandi izo ni wataje shongirizo waliona so Gabon na ine kwa nezana kwa ine team ya Ghana ebiri 14 bya January Ghana of course mo Ghana abana ba under Ayuba Jordan Ayew bona so ni dia Afcon neza kuba Eliaman bitare nchiriza twakukati ndaye ngambira ku nchimunonga result no Carabao Cup team ya Chelsea the Tottenham Hotspur mbako mbarita no pira kasameme gwa mane manenga bitelevu ikikaba tote tunatarikana mali mingi munonga charenga ajaje azifu na kosa ebikora na 2022 one nechikoro checharita waka Allah ogenyo abana wachi kakunda abantu munonga kataya munonga naliya munonga za mogo bushera butire bitakole mu ninjire byo byagurutse bitwo gate chitsire fire ya murugo nyine maybe it's because I'm from church. I've just been in church praying to God and God was like, oh Pato, since now you've come in the church, that means the word is going to change. I thought you are just only in the betting tips. I said, no, sometimes I have time for you. Kweka chita kumanyala hangana chizo betting echo tikichumanya echo nsasire mukama kwanyoni mbani nkora nanye nindo ndenzo kuteka akatebo onsasire mbata shijenderire kadi ngoma kama na burahamu hona mukama wo kumushabira oyine kigendo kirungi munonga nakurabizamu niyo cyonja ati every day raza akapapura ka millionaires 10 noza kumukoma kashashirinka yesi oshango ne million 10 otari byambo tine cyose giro tiro apana acho why are you praying at night no ushabira chicho ekyo no ushabira chi rero ngo nguranga kweki gire cyo warazayo ito betting group the day had this Pato day had this group iweraza kapapura ka 10 utakata nyingi zo kwenda kakurobo wa Kenya yahandikire ngo manine ite kusinga kakakora draw nari bakagitera keka yo ka 10 akatakushasha ko ndio tunubuna kuuna inza katwara anyway oraze yo every day kanje kintu njana ngo mu trying and I'm going to try it even I've been doing this conca not so much no kumani nkaraze mza kureba one day kuza kwa gamangu mwana milioni 50 ziri account chintu ke ranga hindwe because God is looking for an opportunity to change your fortune. He's looking for an opportunity to answer your calls. You've suffered enough. God is saying this is the time. Nitanika chinga kwa kuzaliwa ajira. Na nawajira masko mingi mnongo na tekura. So, predicting a Chelsea Tottenham Hotspur. Esimuti aftosa no jumako njumuno abantu binaba shabere ningira. 0 ishatu abanina netu munana chenda nibiri abasegaro gabatata musora club ya Chelsea shikon Carabao Cup mbaktero taha no jangu za kwangu hendera guta let me get some people there but remember also Spain ari binji Madrid nenezana Barcelona nenezana kwa uri mtukope cha Spain now Rachel amana mani yori Josefina Orugutu bakarukora hatka chebe tine shonga nawe Kacheveza kankoror gutati ndije. So that is my good friend. Koga bari kuona hati. Amina, we bari kunyamba mukutero muranga. Boy bari munonga ngambire na nyata atrisi mukama yampurikiza. So nazo mwaka 2022 nyina mani. Abono barebo taba Chelsea Tottenham Hotspur Londoners. Chelsea ne Tottenham. Just all right, ladies and gentlemen, look what already we said the best. Yes, oh man. Abashema mujebere kurunje munonga. Uri waselo? You in Liverpool, kale. No, Tottenham Chelsea mwene mwiye mukari. Amina, thank you so much for telephone. Abashema, of course. Look about Edwin Blado Edwin. I don't know mwana jompuche no blood bank bambena na anamurega hariye mu Rembo Barara. Ana tavuza ku jumwe cha blood. Ya, ntwetaga kweze blood. Akaba nyonka ni tino mukubanza ntwate nyinji no wasa kugira nko ekizenjera. Actually bakajya ngo yuguma no keeping otakuyamu na enimbi. Nchendo ohereze dene retensia. So we bari ko jumwe ngana na ko tuzagera tene. Ndebo kumuzana kwasa kwenda gudura atabo kwa bona n'abalanda ni bona baba bagomere tuboro birakache. DJ Alberto bari ko jumwe ngo telefone kureba anawe na following we no one bya music nje takubira ko munonge tina ashika kurunje munonka nideba banone banje batanje ko predicting Michael Jump City has actually stabilized and is playing very well now. They will swallow 7 goals today. Michael, it's a brainchild of Star Times and everything. Okay, I think if you work with DSV, you'll be watching. Okay, now, KCC winning 2-0. Winning 2-0. Okay. Michael nijira anaweza nyinyi unongo. Kwa nini teke nko muntu half time it's still 1-0 timu ya KCC ebembe timu ya Mbara it is 1-0 kandi busoga ebembe ondo paraka 1-0 bazo mu chweka chokubanza kandi toja chitwa kaseto za kwa kisente twatwara tofuna ka chance nene nzamwe kwetra ku jumokora kwa analysis abaza kuzana batotamazo na Chelsea ndiba habine injeri za batarazana ba Romelu Lukaku okwako zira apology har coach we Antonio Conte I'm sorry I didn't intend to hurt and maybe affect our fans and kwa apology kokata na kwa timu ya Venezia kile kiboy mo apology tuwe bokusasirana kandi tuwe go kubaba ki washa bokusaswa no filbot